How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to LT3D. Behind me is the T1 Max, the latest high-speed Delta style 3D printer from FLSUN. And today I'm going to share my experiences with the machine so far, as well as show off a couple of the prints that I have currently printed on this machine. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into it. As this was my first time assembling a Delta style 3D printer, I was a little worried about how difficult it would be. However, it was fairly simple and the included manual was well written and easy to follow. The assembled printer is not super heavy, however, I would recommend a two-man lift as it is a little awkward to carry. The included spool holder is fantastic. It's nice to see a solid spool holder for once instead of those flimsy ones that you get with the X1 Carbon and the Flash Forward Adventurer 5M. It also sits very nicely on top of the machine. I have seen some people mount a spool holder under the top panel, so who knows, maybe I might print one for it in the future. One thing I love, which I wasn't expecting at all, is that they supply you with a small 3D printed purge or waste bucket, which slots nicely behind the nozzle wiper for collecting the filament extruded during filament loading. This is an awesome thing to include, and it shows that FLSUN really cares about our first impressions and want it to be as positive as possible. The speed that this printer prints at honestly blows me away. I've only currently printed with their default settings with non-high speed filaments, and it's been shaving down 3 to 4 hours of print time when compared to my previous daily driver, the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. I know I can push the speeds even further with high speed filament, so I might experiment with that in the future, but for right now, straight out of the box, there's already a significant amount of print time saved. If you're looking for a machine to pump out fast prototypes or just multiples of the same single color product, then this is definitely a good option. Print quality so far has been pretty good. There are some visual artifacts, however that may be due to the fact that I've been printing in PLA silk instead of high-speed PLA or regular PLA. Either way, I'm still really impressed with the quality of these prints, especially when you consider how much time I've saved compared to printing it on other machines. All the models shown in this video were printed with premium silk filaments generously supplied by 3D Central to test out. If you're located in Australia and are looking for high quality filament at a great price point, then I definitely recommend looking at their range of matte, silk and rainbow PLA, as well as their new PETG filaments. So far, the only dislikes I have are that the bed leveling is incredibly slow and takes about 15 minutes to complete. And that the printer is open frame, which obviously means it's going to be a lot louder than your enclosed 3D printers. I'll see if I can get a decibel rating and chuck it up on the screen now for you. The other thing isn't a biggie, but I would have liked if the screen came pre-installed instead of us having to manually install it ourselves. I know it's difficult with shipping and not a hard thing to do, but as the screen is connected using a flat flexible cable, if the cable isn't seated correctly or pushed far enough in, the screen will not work. When I first installed the screen and powered on the printer, the screen lit up and prompted me to select my language. However, when I pressed the screen, it wasn't registering my touch. I had to then turn the printer off and reseat the cable for the screen to start working properly. So that's one thing to note if you do pick up this printer. Overall though, I've thoroughly enjoyed printing with this machine so far, and I can't wait to print larger projects in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for future videos on the T1 Max, including a dedicated print quality video and a review video. If you have any other video ideas that you'd like me to make on that printer, feel free to drop it down in the comments below. And as always, Happy printing. Oh, and don't forget, if you're in Australia, go check out 3D Central's range of filaments. They've got some awesome dual silks, single color silks, rainbow silks. They've got some matte PLA, normal PLA, and PETG. So if you're interested in picking some up at a very good price point, definitely go check them out. And thanks again, 3D Central, for sending that filament out.